It's bright and sunny, and we're in the mood. Yes, it's time for the toss. The men who matter are out here. Tails the call. And tails it is. Yes, the condition. A chance for the batting. He opens up his account in style with a boundary. Boy, was that full-blooded drive or what? And that's for using his feet superbly. What a lovely shot. Oh, it's raining boundaries. Absolutely bucketing down. That's 2 boundaries in quick succession. Can he make it a triple? Timing excellent. Batsman in great form here, and that's another huge 6. Now let's see what's in store for the batsman. It's time for a free hit. Play. Great coordination between the pair. That's terrific running. Good thinking by the batsman. They complete the single with ease. Way too many loose deliveries in that over. No need to run for it. Couldn't have added more grace to it if he tried. Wonderful boundary. 2's company, but 3's a hat-trick. Can he do it? Absolute scamster of a ball. Completely fools the batsman. A clever one that left no room for the batsman. Dot ball. Oh, that's another 4. The bowler's been throwing the kitchen sink at him for options, but nothing's working. Disappointment from the bowler. He's just not sticking to the game plan here. The crowd is anxious. The striker is all geared up to go. Will it be a hat-trick? Careless effort from the bowler. It's a wide. Unfortunate for the bowler as it runs away to the boundary. It was way too wide for the wicketkeeper to stop it. A deadly kiss goodbye to the bowler's last ball, and that's farewell for another boundary. Batsman would be very pleased with that over. They're bringing in some medium pace now to just limit the opposition's scoring rate. Cracking shot, brutal sky shot, soars over the pitch and into the crowd. That shot would have made me proud if I'd hit it. Bang, that ball races away to the boundary. Oof, that was so close. The striker is hesitant to make any big moves. No runs off that ball. Glorious stroke. No need to run for it. Massive hit. Oh, what a hit by the batsman. It's flown away like a rocket. Well, that's a stinker of timing. Got nothing on it. 4 runs to end the over. Stank. A leg spinner has come into play. He bowls a loopy delivery, the little bit of top spin as well. Bowler appeals, back by the keeper, but no, says the umpire. Yeah, looks like they're going to go up for the review. The fielding captain has taken his time. They are now deciding to go for the review.
Ball tracking, please. Verifying for a no ball. It's a fair delivery. Pitching outside leg. You can stick with your decision. It will appear on screen now.
The umpire says it all. It's not out. Well contained. A smart effort by the bowler. What a googly. Completely foxed the batsman. Bowler appeals, back by the keeper, but no, says the umpire. Yeah, looks like they're going to go up for the review. The DRS review will be a little risky here for this ball. It's the top spinner. Goes straight onto the stumps. Well, he could have been on the front line there, the umpire. He's fired him out. Batsman looks really unhappy with this decision. Yes, they've decided to go to the third umpire.
Ball tracking, please. Verifying for a no ball. It's a fair delivery. Impact in line. Wickets hitting. You can stick with your decision. It will appear on screen now.
And the original umpire's decision stays in place. Bowler collects his dues. He's gifted away his wicket. I wouldn't have forgiven myself. He has to stick to his basics and not give away his wicket here. Rocket to the fence. Oh, that's in the slot, and it's been put away for 6. A 6 off the first ball. You can't ask for a better start than that. It's a googly. It's on its way. There's nothing on earth that can stop that one. Double the fun, double sixes. He's trying to draw the batsman out with that sneaky little top spinner. Smashed! Well, he's absolutely obliterated that one. That, folks, right there is what they call a crowd killer. A generous slap in the bowler's face. Booted away for 6. 6 balls done and dusted, and it's a bowling change. Time. And he's gone for the doosra, but is it enough? Boom! Step out and hammers it to the stands. The fielders can only do one thing there. That's watch on with hopelessness and aberration. Oh, 6 it is. A 6 off the first ball. You can't ask for a better start than that. He slips in the flipper, skids back in, leaving the batsman in real trouble. It's a big one. It's out of there. That's 2 sixes back to back. He's proving to be unstoppable. That's faster and higher bounce. A great top spinner. That attack wasn't just meant for the stumps. That struck him firmly on the body. Well bowled. Nothing conceded. That's faster and higher bounce. A great top spinner. And that's a 6. That's a massive one. Oh, what a glorious shot that is. Oh, what a shot. A stupendous blow that comfortably clears the stands. Well, we're all guessing here. It's the doosra, but will the batsman fall for it? He knows it. Every run stop counts. Nicely sent back with a strong... This close contest is coming to an end as the bowler begins the match deciding over. Couldn't have come at a better time. A real crowd pleaser, that one. A rocket of a shot. What a shot. That's a blinding shot all the way for 6. The bowler nabs another great scalp as this battle comes to an end. He just has to play his part in building innings here, nice and slowly. Brilliant swing on the delivery. He gets it to reverse with it. Boom! That's a bowler killer. Sends a lofted drive straight over the non-striker's end. Great catch. He's kicking himself for that shot. Easy catch by the fielder. That's the second wicket in a row. Boom! A wicket. The last bastion crumbles right at the end. Halfway through the batting order, and the new hope for the batting steps up to the crease. That's a slightly slower ball from him. Chance for him to make it 3 in a row, but he misses out on that one. Monstrous shot. So inspiring that I'm tempted to put on the gloves myself. A 6 off the first ball. You can't ask for a better start than that. Oh, what a shot. Crowd's gone mad. That's a dirty little dozen for his soldiers. 2 sixes in a row. Oh, that's beautifully struck. Times the loft, and it's gone all the way for 6. Can you believe it? Off the last ball to boot. And it's the end of the over with that delivery. What a performance from the winning side. They'd be really pleased with that result. An outstanding performance with the bat and a well-deserved award for man of the match.